Good morning, dear students. Today we'll continue chapter number 4 of our English grammar book, Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. A name of the chapter is Articles. In previous video, we discussed use of articles. Where do we use a, where do we use an, and where do we use the article. Now we will discuss omission of articles and repetition of articles. But before that, look at these phrases where generally we do mistake to put the article. Here you will read out these phrases which are given in your book also thoroughly and make understand that before these phrases you will never supposed to use the article. Like by train, by bus, at home, by chance, by mistake, you will never use the article before these phrases. Now, when do I omit article? This is a common question where the article should be omitted. Omitted means there you are not supposed to use any article, neither a nor an nor the. Generally, it is seen that wherever you find any vowel sound, you used to apply and there, and wherever you hear any consonant sound you used to apply other. But it is not correct to use these articles wherever you find these sounds. There are certain rules regarding the articles. Today we will discuss the omission of articles. First we will discuss omission of a and article. We will never use a or an article with plural nouns like dogs, girls, books. Here these are plural countable noun. You will never use a or an article with plural nouns. You will never write not a dogs, a girls, a books. You can write a girl, a book, a dog. So a and an are not used with plural noun. Next rule is these two articles are never used before uncountable nouns like furniture, machinery, gold, scenery. These are uncountable nouns and you will never use a or an article before uncountable nouns. But if an adjective is used before the name of meal, like breakfast is also uncountable, but good adjective is used before it. If an adjective is used before name of meal, then you can use a or an article accordingly. In special meals also you can use a or an article, like we were invited to a dinner. Here this is not ordinary dinner, it is special dinner which was given at any ceremony. So here when special meal is given, then you can use a or an article, and if adjective is used before the name of meal, then also you can use a or an article. Now omission of the article. Where do we will omit the article means where we will not use article the. First rule regarding is the is not placed before proper nouns. Wherever you will find the particular name of person, place, thing or object, you will never use the article before it. Like Newton is a great scientist not only of England but also of the world. Here England and Newton are proper noun, and here you are not supposed to use the article because we never use the article before proper nouns. Next, but when the article is used before proper noun, it becomes a common noun. Like a sentence is given in your book also, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. So here Kalidas is proper noun, but it is used as a Shakespeare which is become common noun. When it has become common noun, then we can use article there. Like a Newton cannot be a Milton. Here Newton and Milton are representing common noun. So there you can use a or an article, but if it is used as a proper noun, then you will never use the article before it. Next rule is the is not placed before material and abstract noun. Iron is a useful metal. Here iron is material noun. You will never use the article before material noun. Next is honesty is the best policy. Here honesty is abstract noun, you can never see or touch it. So here you will never use the article before honesty also. So here rules regarding the article is you will never place the before proper nouns, abstract noun and material nouns. Now, next topic is repetition of articles. There are some sentences where we have to repeat the articles. So, first rule regarding repetition of article is that when two or more nouns or adjectives refer to different persons or things, then the article is used before each noun or adjective. Look at the sentence. The headmaster and the secretary are coming. Here we are not talking about one person, we are talking about two different person at different post. Headmaster and secretary, they are two different person. So when two or more nouns we are referring to, or two or more nouns refer to different person, then article the is repeated with each noun or adjective. Like he had a clever and a black cat. Here two adjective clever and black are used for two different cats. So here we will repeat article in the same sentence. Give me a red and a blue pencil. Here red and blue are two different pencils. So two adjectives are used and we will use articles before both the adjectives. Next rule is when two or more nouns or adjectives refer to the same person, then the article is used before the first adjective only. Keep it remember before the first adjective only. Like the headmaster and secretary is coming. Now they are not two person. Here the person is same who is handling two posts together. So here the headmaster and secretary two are used, and when two or more nouns or adjective refer to the same person, the article is used before the first. So here we will place the article before first noun only, that is the headmaster. He had a clever and black cat. Here two adjectives are used for one single cat, singular cat. So here we will place an article before first adjective. Give me a red and blue pencil. Here there are not two pencils. Here pencil is only one, but two adjectives are used, a red and blue. Red and blue are two adjectives for the one pencil. So we will place an adjective a before first adjective. Third rule is in a comparison, if two nouns refer to different person or things, the article is used with each noun. Like he is a better statesman than a philosopher. Now different person are being talked about, so we will use two different article before two nouns. He is a better statesman than philosopher. Now same person is being talked in his two states, his two qualities are being talked about. We will use only one article because we are talking about two qualities of a same person. So we keep it remember, if two qualities of two different person are compared, then two articles will be used with both the person. If two qualities of same person is being talked about, then we will use only one article. Now article is not used before names of academic subjects like mathematics, history, biology, computer science. Here these examples are given to make you understand that before academic subjects we will never use any article. So here this is how we have learned the repetition of article and omission of article. Thank you.